Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve file system error code -21472191995 on your Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is open up the Start menu, type in Services. Best result should come back with Services right above App, so go ahead and left click on that. Locate the Windows License Manager service and double click on it. You want to set startup type to automatic and the service says to stop. You want to go select start. And then once you're done with that, select apply and OK. Close out of here, restart your computer and see if that has resolved the problem. If not, I'd recommend trying to repair the Microsoft Photos app. Make sure you have a backup of your photos saved to somewhere on your computer or external drive before you do this, because you never know. You just want to make sure your files are protected somewhere. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and open up Photos. So just type in Photos and select App Settings on the right panel here when you're searching for it. So go ahead and select App Settings like I said. And you want to scroll down on this page until you get to Reset. If this app isn't working right, reset it. The app static will be deleted. Go ahead, like I said, make sure you have everything backed up and then go ahead and select the reset button. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Go ahead and select the reset. And once that's done, close out of here, restart your computer, and hopefully that should have been able to resolve your problem. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.